Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to sign in Bluesky account in PC. So if you also want to sign into your Bluesky account in PC, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now what you have to do is click on the search bar. Now simply type in bsky.app, press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Bluesky. From here you'll be able to log into your account. If you look at left you'll be able to see two options over here, sign up and sign in. If you do not have an account, simply click on the sign up option. After that you'll be able to create an account for yourself. But if you want to log into your existing account, simply tap on the option sign in. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. All you have to do is enter your username or email address. Simply enter your username or email address. Now enter your password. Make sure to enter the correct password. If you have forgotten your password, simply click on the forgot option that you can see right over here. After that, you'll be able to reset a password for yourself. After you enter the username or email address and password, simply tap on the next option that you can see right over here. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here you've been signed in to your account. So that is how you sign into your Bluesky account on PC. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.